Hello students, welcome to the maths class. Today in this video I am going to take a revision of exercise 7th A. In revision I will take some questions of exercise 7th A. In this exercise you are going to study ratio and increase or decrease in a ratio. So this topic I have explained already in my previous videos, but in short today I will explain. What is ratio? Ratio means comparison of two quantities of the same kind in the same unit by division. Suppose A and B are the two quantities of the same kind in the same unit, then A upon B or A is to B is a ratio. A upon B is equal to A is to B is a ratio. So this is the comparison of two quantities of the same kind in the same unit by division. Now what is increase or decrease in a ratio? Through question I will tell you. This point through question I will explain. So now you see some questions from exercise 7th A. You can see first question. If A is to B equals 5 is to 3, find 5A minus 3B upon 5A plus 3B. Now how can we find the value of 5A minus 3B upon 5A plus 3B? So A is to B equals 5 is to 3, it is given. A is to B means A upon B equals 5 upon 3. So when you separate the terms of a ratio, a rational constant, a constant of ratio is taken with each term. So you can take A equals 5k, B equals 3k. Now A equals 5k and B equals 3k you can put in the expression. Which value you have to, for which you have to find the value. You have to put the value of A and B in the expression for which you have to find the value. So that expression is 5A minus 3B upon 5A plus 3B. So 5 into 5k in place of A minus 3 into 3k in place of B, 3k you have to put upon 5 into 5k plus 3 into 3k. Now you simplify. 5 5s are 25k minus 9k upon 25k plus 9k. 25k minus 9k 16k, 25k plus 9k 34k. K is cancelled with k. 2 8s are 16, 2 17s are 34. So 8 upon 17 is the final answer. So these questions are very easy questions. You see one more question, fourth question. If A minus B is to A plus B equals 1 is to 11, find the ratio 5A plus 4B plus 15 is to 5A minus 4B plus 3. So A minus B is to A plus B equals 1 is to 11, it is given. A minus B upon A plus B equals 1 upon 11. Do cross multiplication. 11A minus 11B equals A plus B. 11A minus A, 11B plus B. 10A equals 12B. A upon B equals 12 upon 10. 6 upon 5. A upon B. Now after finding the value of A upon B, A equals 6k and B equals 5k. You separate the terms of the ratio by taking k as a constant of ratio. So 6k and 5k are the values of A and B. Now put the values of A and B in the expression for which you have to find the value. So 5a plus 4b plus 15 upon 5a minus 4b plus 3. Here you put the value of A 6k, value of B 5k. So 5 into 6k plus 4 into 5k plus 15 upon 5 into 6k minus 4 into 5k plus 3. Simplify it, you will get 30k plus 20k plus 15 upon 30k minus 20k plus 3. Now you will get 50k plus 15 upon 10k plus 3. Now 5 is common in numerator, so inside the bracket 10k plus 3. In denominator also 10k plus 3 is written, so both will be cancelled. So 5 is to 1. This is the final answer. This is the final ratio for the given expression. Now next question number 7. Find x upon y when x square plus 6y square equals 5xy. X square plus 6y square equals 5xy, it is given. You take all the terms to LHS. So x square minus 5xy plus 6y square equals 0. Now factorize it. It is a quadratic equation. You factorize x square minus 3xy minus 2xy plus 6y square equals 0. In first two term x is common. So inside the bracket x minus 3y will come. In last two term minus 2y is common. Inside the bracket x minus 3y will come and is equal to 0. So you are getting x minus 3y multiplied by x minus 2y equals 0. Now you can see x minus 3y equals 0, x equals 3y, x minus 2y equals 0, x equals 2y. So x upon y equals 3 upon 1, x upon y equals 2 upon 1. So x upon y equals 3, x upon y equals 2. So value of x upon y you are getting 3 comma 2. So like this you can find the values. Now after this question number 10th you see a school has 630 students. The ratio of number of boys to number of girls is 3:2. Ratio changes to 7:5 after admission of 90 new students. Find the number of newly admitted boys. First of all, what is given? Total number of students 630 is given. Ratio of boys and girls is given. New ratio of boys and girls is given. And newly admitted students are given 90. Newly admitted boys you have to find. How many newly admitted boys were there? So first of all you see the solution. Total number of students 630. Boys is 2, girls 3 is to 2. Let the number of boys 3k. Let the number of girls 2k. Separate the ratio. Separate the terms of the ratio. So 3k and 2k. Now you can see 3k is that number of boys, 2k is the number of girls. When we add both, then total number of students will come. So that's why I have written 3k plus 2k equals 630. So 5k equals 630. K equals 126. When k equals 126, the number of boys 3 into 126, 378. Number of girls 2 into 126, 252. So original number of boys 378, original number of girls 252. Now newly admitted students, it is given 90. Newly admitted students 90. So let the number of newly admitted boys be x. You have supposed the number of newly admitted boys be x. So number of newly admitted girls will be 90 minus x, because total newly admitted students are 90 and number of boys x. So number of girls will be 90 minus x. According to question, now 378 boys already were there. X boys are newly admitted. So total number of boys 378 plus x. In the same way 252 girls already, these girls were there. 90 minus x are the newly admitted girls. So total number of girls 252 plus 90 minus x. And this ratio is becoming 7 upon 5. It is given in the question. Now you simplify 378 plus x upon 342 minus x equals 7 upon 5. Do cross multiplication. 1890 plus 5x equals 2394 minus 7x. Take the terms having x on one side. 5x plus 7x equals 2394 minus 1890. 12x equals 504. X equals 504 upon 12. X equals 42. So number of newly admitted boys equals 42. Number of newly admitted boys equals 42. So like this you have found the newly admitted boys. One more question you see, what quantity must be subtracted from each term of the ratio 9:17 to make it equal to 1:3. What quantity you have to subtract from each term? So that quantity we are supposing as x. Let the required quantity to be subtracted be x. So 9 minus x upon 17 minus x will be 1 upon 3. 9 minus x upon 17 minus x will be 1 upon 3. Do cross multiplication. 27 minus 3x equals 17 minus x. 27 minus 17 equals 3x minus x. 2x equals 10, x equals 5. So x equals 5 is the required quantity to be subtracted. Now question number 14 you see, the bus fare between two cities is increased in the ratio 7:9. Find the increase in the fare if original fare is 245. Second part, increased fare is 207. I told you in the starting of the video I will explain increase or decrease in a ratio. Listen, Ratio is given 7 is to 9 and quantity is increased in this ratio 7 is to 9. So what will be the increased quantity? So that I am going to tell you. So ratio is 7 is to 9. Original quantity is 245. So increased quantity will be, increased fare will be 245 multiplied by 9 upon 7. Reciprocal, by the reciprocal you will multiply the original quantity. By the reciprocal of the given ratio you will multiply the original quantity to get the new quantity. One more time I am telling to you, to get the new quantity you will multiply the original quantity by the reciprocal of the given ratio. So 245 into 9 upon 7, so it is coming 315. So increase in fare. So original increased fare 315 you have calculated. Original fare 245 it is given. So increase in fare 70 rupees. Now second part you see. In second part increased fare is given 207. Increased fare is given 207. So original fare I have supposed, let the original fare be X. So then increased fare in the same way as I will find as I found in first part. So increased fare is equal to original fare multiplied by reciprocal of the given ratio. One more time I am telling to you, increased fare is equal to original fare multiplied by reciprocal of the given ratio. Increased fare is 207, it is given, x into 9 upon 7. So x will come 207 multiplied by 7 upon 9, so 161. So this is the original fare. Now you can see how can you find increase in fare. Increase in fare equals 207 minus 161. 207 is the increased fare, 161 is the original fare you have calculated. So 46 is the increase in fare. Now one more question I am taking, 17th question. In a mixture of 126 kg of milk and water, the milk and water are in the ratio 5:2. How much water must be added to the mixture to make this ratio 3:2? Listen carefully. 126 kg mixture is there. In this 126 kg, 5 in the ratio 5:2, milk and water is there. So first of all we will find how much quantity of milk is there, how much quantity of water is there in the mixture. So total quantity of mixture 126 kg, milk is to water 5:2 it is given. So milk is 5x, water is 2x. Milk is 5x, water is 2x. Separate the terms of the ratio by taking x as the constant of the ratio. So 5x plus 2x. So total quantity of mixture 126. 5x is the quantity of milk, 2x is the quantity of water, and if I add 5x and 2x then it will be the mixture of milk and water. So it is given 126. So that's why I have written 5x plus 2x equals 126. 7x equals 126, x equals 18, x equals 18. After finding the value of x, quantity of milk will be 18 into 5, 90 kg. Quantity of water will be 18 into 2, 36 kg. So let the required quantity of water to be added be by kg. Original quantity of milk 90, original quantity of water 36. You have calculated. Now how much water you are adding? Required quantity of water to be added y kg. When you are adding quantity of y kg water, so ratio will become 90 upon 36 plus y. 90 is the quantity of milk, 90 kg. 36 plus y is the quantity of total water. And this ratio according to question is 3 upon 2. So 90 upon 36 plus y equals 3 upon 2. Do cross multiplication, 108 plus 3y equals 180. 3y equals 72. Y equals 24. So y equals 24 means this is the quantity of water to be added so that ratio of the mixture will be 3:2. So like this students you can solve remaining questions of exercise 7th A. Today I took some questions of exercise 7th A and some more questions of exercise 7th A I will take in my tomorrow's video, because this exercise is a big exercise. So some part of this exercise in today's video I have taken, and some part of this exercise, remaining part of this exercise, in tomorrow's video I will take. If you have any problem in solving the remaining questions till 17th question, till 17th remaining questions you solve. If you have any problem, then you can ask. I will clear your doubts. So thank you and have a nice day.